Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I am David.
And I am Alice.
Today, we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, very useful for daily conversation.
Today's topic is how to describe your home in English, step by step.
Yes, more real life, more vocabulary.
Exactly, like a small tour of your home.
Yes, a home tour in English.
Before we start,
Small reminder,
please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and practice with us every day.
Okay, let's begin.
Alice, when you go home, what do you see first?
I see the gate.
Good, gate.
Repeat, gate.
Do you have a security guard?
Yes.
Example, there is a security guard at the gate.
Repeat slowly. There is a security guard at the gate.
Now, let's talk about garden.
Oh, I love gardens.
Example, there is a small garden in front of my house.
Repeat. There is a small garden in front of my house.
What is in the garden?
Flowers,
Trees.
plants.
Example, there are flowers and plants in the garden.
Repeat slowly. There are flowers and plants in the garden.
Now you enter the building.
Yes, we go inside.
If you live in a flat, you use stairs, elevator, lift.
Repeat. Stairs, elevator.
Example, I use the stairs.
Or I take the elevator.
Repeat, I take the elevator.
I use the stairs. David, I am lazy. I always take the elevator.
Me too sometimes. Now you open the door.
Yes, and go inside.
What do you see first?
I see the living room.
Good. Example, when I enter my home, I see the living room first.
Repeat slowly. When I enter my home, I see the living room first.
Now describe the living room.
Okay, my living room is big.
Good.
It is clean and comfortable.
Nice. What things are in the living room?
Sofa, TV, table, and fan. Example, there is a sofa and a TV in the living room.
Repeat. There is a sofa and a TV in the living room. Another sentence. We sit and watch TV in the living room.
Repeat slowly. We sit and watch TV in the living room.
After living room, what is next?
Kitchen. Example, next I go to the kitchen.
Repeat. Next, I go to the kitchen. Describe your kitchen.
My kitchen is small but clean.
What is in the kitchen?
Stove, fridge, sink, and cabinets. Example, there is a fridge and a stove in the kitchen.
Repeat. There is a fridge and a stove in the kitchen. Daily sentence. I cook food in the kitchen.
Repeat. I cook food in the kitchen.
Now, bedroom.
Yes, my favorite place. Example, then I go to my bedroom.
Repeat. Then I go to my bedroom. Describe it.
My bedroom is quiet and comfortable.
What is in your bedroom?
Bed, wardrobe, table, and lamp. Example, there is a bed and a wardrobe in my bedroom.
Repeat slowly. There is a bed and a wardrobe in my bedroom. Daily sentence. I sleep in the bedroom.
Repeat, I sleep in the bedroom.
Next, bathroom.
Example, there is a bathroom next to my bedroom.
Repeat. There is a bathroom next to my bedroom. What is in the bathroom?
Shower, sink, and mirror. Example, I take a shower in the bathroom.
Repeat. I take a shower in the bathroom. Now, let's describe everything step by step.
Yes, like a full home tour.
Listen carefully. I live in an apartment.
There is a security guard at the gate.
There is a small garden in front of the building.
I take the elevator to go to my flat.
I enter my home and see the living room first.
The living room is big and clean.
There is a sofa, a table, and a TV.
Next, I go to the kitchen.
The kitchen is small but clean.
There is a fridge and a stove in the kitchen.
Then I go to my bedroom.
My bedroom is comfortable.
There is a bed and a wardrobe.
There is a bathroom next to my bedroom.
Wow, very good.
Yes, easy, step by step.
Now your turn.
Answer these questions. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Do you have a garden?
Do you use stairs or an elevator?
What do you see first when you enter your home?
What is in your living room?
Take your time. Speak slowly.
David, what if someone says, I cook in the bedroom?
No.
Wrong room.
Repeat correct sentence. I cook in the kitchen.
And I sleep in the bedroom.
Good.
Today was very helpful.
Yes, now you can describe your home step by step.
From outside
To inside.
from room to room.
Tell us in the comments. Do you have a garden in your home?
See you in the next lesson.
Bye. Take care.